Contact Form 7 is a popular plugin that allows you to create front-end forms and establish direct communication with your clients. In this tutorial, we will go over the process of translating a contact form built with Contact Form 7 using WPML. Here is an example of a multilingual website for an interior design agency. It has English as the default language and Spanish as the secondary language. Let's check out the English contact page. As you can see, there is a section that includes some text and an image, and in this section, there is a simple contact form on the left, and on the right there is the contact info. Now, let's go to the WordPress admin. Of course, you need to have Contact Form 7 plugin activated along with the WPML Core plugins. You also need to install and activate the Contact Form 7 Multilingual plugin. You can do that by clicking the Add New button. Go to the Commercial tab and choose the Contact Form 7 Multilingual plugin from the list. Tick the Activate After Download option and hit the Download button. Contact Form 7 Multilingual plugin is now installed and activated. To facilitate the translation process, we're using WPML's Advanced Translation Editor, which allows you to translate the content of your site automatically using machine translation. To activate it, navigate to WPML Settings. Under the How to Translate Posts and Pages section, choose the Use Advanced Translation Editor for new content. Translating the contact page is a simple two-step process. First, you want to translate the contact form and then translate the contact page itself. This is the default language contact form. Feel free to customize the form template, the form messages that are displayed to the users on the front end, and the notification email template. Once done, do not forget to save. To translate this form, navigate to WPML Translation Management. From the Element Type drop-down, choose Contact Form. Here is the contact form that we created. Select the form and choose the language or languages you want to translate your form into. In our example, I'll be translating the form to Spanish. Now, click Add the selected content to Translation Basket. Go to the Translation Basket tab and assign the translation job to a translator. I will assign this translation job to myself, then click on Send All Items for Translation. To take this translation job, go to the Translations page and click the Translate button. This takes you to the Advanced Translation Editor. Click the Translate Automatically button to add the machine translation. Review the translation and make sure that it's accurate. You can notice the translated form field's shortcodes match the ones in the default language. Please make sure that you don't translate the field's shortcodes, as this will break the secondary language form. You can also see that the messages that are displayed to the user on the front end and the notification email text are translated. Now click the Finish button, then Complete to publish the translation. Now that we created our form and translated it, it's time to translate our contact page that we have already inserted the form shortcode into. Go to your Pages screen and click the plus icon under the language you want to translate your contact page into. Again, this takes you to the Advanced Translation Editor. Click the Translate Automatically button, review the translation, and make sure that it's accurate. Now click the Finish button, then Complete to publish the translated contact page. Let's see how the translated contact page looks on the front end. As you can see, our contact page is translated, including the contact form. With that, you learn how to create a multilingual contact page using Contact Form 7 in WPML. To see more videos that explain the multilingual workflow for different themes and plugins, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to enable the notifications. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.